Tonight, on the first full weekend of hurricane season, a daunting preview of what's to come. In Hollywood, Florida, this is the footprint of Arlene, the season's first named tropical storm, now downgraded, but still packing a punch. With heavy wind and rain, leaving much of South Florida under flood alert through Sunday. The weather threat enough to postpone Saturday's planned SpaceX launch, now pushed to Sunday. It comes on the heels of devastation up north. In Spencer, Massachusetts, officials say a lightning strike destroyed this historic church. Standing since the Civil War, now left in ruins after a massive fire.
There was just smoke and fire everywhere. I actually saw it come down. It was terrible. There was people crying. It was really, really bad.
Elsewhere today, it's extreme heat that's leaving millions on high alert, with cities like Chicago, Minneapolis, and St. Louis seeing highs 10 to 20 degrees above average. And in northern Utah, residents there are facing nickel-sized hail.
And Blayne joins me now from South Florida. Blayne, what can we expect from Arlene next?
Well, Jose, Arlene is dissipating, but that does not mean that the threat is over. It's still bringing heavy rain to parts of Florida and Cuba tomorrow, leaving some 6 million people at risk for flooding through Sunday. Jose.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.